system. Reproductive system. Yes. So reproductive system, male reproductive system and female reproductive system is there. Both are different. If you know about the anatomy, if you want to know about the anatomy for female, okay, first we have to start with our uterus. Okay, this is uterus. Okay, it will be like cone shape. Okay, from the uterus, two tubes will be spreading like a wings. That is our fallopian tube. Okay, from the fallopian tube, in the wings, no, that end of the wings will be catching one wall, that is ovary. Both the sides will be having that ovary. Okay. So here this ovary will be releasing the ovum over here. That ovum only enters this fallopian tube and travel both the sides. Both the sides it will be releasing this ovum. Both the sides it will be travel and enter the uterus, and here it will be breaking and then it will be coming it as a menstrual cycle. Okay, ma'am. And this is the opening of a cervix, and this is the vagina. Okay, this is the inside view. Okay, ma'am, inside view of the female reproductive system.
Ma'am, how does it break? Is there some external force that happens
No,
it breaks?
no external force. Ovum is having a cycle, ma'am. That's why we are having 28-day cycle. Everyone are having their own cycles. 28-day cycle is the proper one. So till that cycle, it will get mature. Ovum will be getting mature. Okay, it will be getting matured. And if suppose that if before breaks, if it's what to say, joined with the sperm, it will be infiltrating as a fetus inside the uterus, in the bed of the uterus. That is progesterone hormone. The hormonal supports is there, no? That will be more in our uterus bag. Okay, that will be creating the bed and it will be getting fixed here. Okay. Yes, if it's not breaking, if it's not breaking means it will. If it's break, that's why if it's not breaking means many people will be having all the menstrual cycle problem, no? Because of not breaking, it will get mature, and we'll be having pain, increasing in our weight, all the progesterone hormones will be getting secreted. So all the things will be happening. So this is the female reproductive system. So these also we have to know. This is a male reproductive system. In this male reproductive system, as like uterus, we are here. What will happen? Yes, here prostate gland is there. Okay, this gland is the gland means it is a hormonal gland. Okay, prostate gland is a hormonal gland, and it is also has a vesicles. Vesicles, what we can say, that is will be the liquids. We can say liquids. Okay, vesicles. Okay, so that one will be secreted over here, and it will be traveling. Okay, this is the vast difference. This is a tube. Okay, this is the tube, and the organ name is a penis, and it will be traveling through the vast difference, and the small tube is inside. No, that is the urethra. Outside muscular part is the scrotum. Inside the scrotum, testis will be there. Okay, this test, these are like ovum, the testis. Okay, ma'am?
Right, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So this is the male reproductive system and female reproductive system. For small kids in this male reproductive system, we have to concentrate. The scrotal skin is there, no? That skin, urethral opening, we have to check. The skin hygiene, we have to take care. And they have to retract and then they have to cleanse. Opening, urethral opening is properly or not. If it is very minute, we have to take care before it's sometimes we won't monitor it, will go for a surgical thing. So like these and all we have to check. And this for male boys and all, this penis will be small. So for that and all we have to before itself we have to go for a checkups. So these all sometimes if parents are missed, we can take care and we can inform them. So these things we can take care in our male reproductive system. Okay, ma'am. In female reproductive system, for girls, we have to concentrate on their personal hygiene. Okay, so vaginal opening and urethral opening will be the same thing. So what will happen? They have to maintain their personal hygiene very carefully. So that and all we have to promote for female girls. Okay, ma'am. For that purpose only, we are reading this male reproductive system and female reproductive system. Okay. So these are the vital organs, what I have explained. Other systems are there, that is bone, muscles, and skin. So this is the main part we are concentrating as a Montessori teachers. Okay. So I have to complete 1 hour, but I have to half an hour extra. Bones, muscles, and skin. Okay. Bones is the thing, physical development. Okay. Muscles is the thing, neuromuscular development. And skin is the thing, our sensorial development. Okay. So these three organ is very important what we are connecting our Montessori teachings. Okay. In bones, the skeletons. The skeletons, it is our organ of a most important organ of our body. And then bone, in skeletons, we are having lots of joints. All these joints joined together and forming the bones. Okay, sorry, and forming the skeleton system. Okay, and these bones are covered with the muscles, and muscles are covered with the skin. And also we should know that nails is also one of the skin type. One of the skin type of the nail. Okay, this is the muscular system and skeletal system. So we have having long bones, short, which we should know which is long bone and which is strongest bone. Strongest bone is our femur. Okay, it's our thigh bone. Okay, ma'am. Strongest bone is the thigh bone and clavicle. This bone, no, this is also strongest bone. Okay, our jaw. The most important strongest bone is our thigh. Okay, jaw, clavicle, and this feet. This is the very strongest bone. And skull. Skull is also strongest. And also we should know for kids, 6 months, this thing won't get fused. After that 6 months only, 1.5 years. Okay.
The head doesn't get stable,
Yeah, I
right?
forgot the correct. 1.5 years, another one is 6 months. If I am correct, that is correct.
The
6
neck
months.
position that until 6 months, the neck position doesn't
I'm saying
so
this
it takes
fontanels. I'm saying this fontanels. Fontanels are there, no? Sutures.
yeah.
Bones like separate of skulls will be separate. So it will be joining here one. We will be saying no, uchi.
Mm.
That is the thing. Here,
I
I
think
think
that's
1.5
for
year,
1 month. Yes, yeah.
1.5 year it will get closed. Here, if I am correct, 3 months or 6 months. I forgot. Okay.
It is
So
6 months.
it is.
People say after
Uh,
3 months you should carry the baby, but I think it is after 6 months only the neck becomes.
that is for neck. That is for neck. The neck won't be stiff for that.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So why I have said this means for them and all, if they are falling from the highest area, it is dangerous. At the same time, it won't already it will be like separated one. Okay, it is healing is also very fast. Okay, at the same time fast, but it is dangerous because everything is opened. For that knowledge, I have said that. Okay. Because why means already it is getting fused. It is on the fusing stage. If some, so it will get fused. But if since it is open, if it is fall, it is very dangerous. Okay. Internally, if it is affected, it is dangerous. So this is skeletal system. Okay. So we should know about our hands as a Montessori teachers, how these bones are there, skeletal system. Okay. How these elbows are there, joints, because we are teaching them the Montessori handlings and all, how to lift the part, how to lift the blocks, how to lift the cups, how to hold the thing. So hand skill, our hand skill movements, we are teaching them. So these for this and all, skeletal and muscle system is very important. Okay. So if see the muscles, everything is interconnected. If I am using here, it will be go straight till our shoulders. See. So that much strengthening we are giving to them. If we are not giving any work to this, how the muscles will get strength? Okay, yeah. So like this, all our bones and muscle system is very important in our Montessori. Okay, yes. And next one is senses and nerves. In senses and nerves, so neurological development, that is main important brain. In this brain is connected with our eyes, okay, hearing, speaking, taste and smell, that is our 5 senses, okay, and nerves and hormones. These things are interconnected with the sense and nerves. So I will explain this with our thing. Okay, this is the brain. Okay, see how many lobes are there. This is whole part is cerebrum. This is smallest part is, sorry, this is the smallest part is cerebellum, and this pink one is the medulla oblongata. Okay, this biggest part is seeing how many works. See, planning, attention, movement, decision making, speech, smell, hearing, taste, touch, vision, memory processing, emotion. So these all things are there in our brain. Each part will be working their part. Okay, so if I am making use of the decision making, I'm not making use of this touch, means I'm missing one area. Okay, if one activity I'm giving to the child, it has to concentrate every brain, every cerebrum, every part of the cerebrum. This is the main cognitive development of our body, that is cerebrum. So if I'm planning one activity, backside vision, touch, taste, hearing, memory processing, smell, speech, decision making, planning, attention, movement, everything I have to concentrate.
Ma'am, can you give an example? Like what?
Yes, ma'am.
Like
Mm,
any
for
activity
example,
that brings
yeah, pink tower. Take a pink tower, ma'am. You have done pink tower, no? So vision. I am just making the child to see the pink color of the pink tower and making the child to attract. I'm making the child to think. When he sees, he will receive this attention and he will plan how to arrange the pink tower. And also he will use his creativity and he will decide. When I'm giving the freedom, they are making the decision making and they will align the pink tower according to that. They will connect the pink tower with the brown star. Okay, both the things they will be connecting. Okay, and when I am asking the questions, or like when I am asking the child what he can able to explain, he can able to point out what he is doing, and he can see the 1 centimeter like differences between each block, and he can able to tell that. Okay, so these are things. When smell, I can't connect it. No, I can connect with pink tower. If I'm making the environment, if I'm making the room which is healthier towards the child, it's very warming to her. Means, if I'm preparing the room with that type of smells, that also I'm stimulating in the same area. And hearing, okay, hearing, I can as a directress, I can do some instructions. I'm not giving instruction, I'm directing. Okay, while handling the pink tower, I can able to say hold like this. I can see. Okay, so that time I'm making them to hear. Memory processing repeatedly when they are doing the pink tower. Repeatedly they are doing this memory processing. Emotions, and when they are achieving their sense of achievement, fulfillment, what they will have, that emotion they have in the self satisfaction. So that hearing, one should have to reach whole brain. Movement, they are moving from one place to another. They won't sit for any activity. They won't sit. They will be taking the mat and they will be going sitting their position and they will go for their location and they will do all activities. They will arrange everything. So movements is there.
Right.
If cerebrum is alone functioning and I'm not taking care of my physical health, if there is no heart rate, if there is no breathing, how it will work? So this part is very important. So that's why we are reading about our systems. Okay. And this is the movement coordination. Our cerebellum is taking care of the movement coordination. Okay, ma'am. So that's why we are doing everything and towards the sensorial activity. Okay, so here this is the only parietal part of the cerebrum. Okay, parietal part of the cerebrum. Here only this touch, pain, temperature, pressure, and vibrations. These senses, no, this parietal lobe. Parietal lobe means here. Okay, ma'am. Here, this thing is the parietal lobe. Okay, this is frontal. Okay, this is frontal. This is parietal, and this is temporal. This is occipital. Okay, this parietal, no, here only touch, pain, temperature, pressure, and vibrations, they can able to sense it. Okay, so when I am processing this parietal lobe, okay, what all the things they are receiving, they will analyze. If I'm touching, they will analyze what I'm touching, which type of things I'm touching. Okay, I can able to recognize, and they will memory this memory the touch with closing their eyes. So we are giving them lot of activities, no? So we are giving a bag and mysterious bags, putting everything inside and asking them to take touch and say what it is. Okay, so they will know without saying. Memory of someone. Once, if one time they touch and they doesn't know what it is, they will take and see. And next time, if I put the same, next time they will surely identify.
Yeah. Mystery bag.
No. Yeah. So that is the memory of somatic sensation. They are touching and then they are fixing into their parietal lobe. Okay. And this next one is proprioception. Proprioception is the eye to hand coordination. Okay. Eye to hand coordination. And our hand skill coordination. Okay. And their eating habits. Okay, every awareness of their body and muscle movements through their activities. So that only we are concentrating, coordinating our visual, auditory, and somatosensory stimuli. Somatosensory stimuli means, somato means somato means the organ, okay? Sensory. To that organ, I'm giving that stimulation. So I'm connecting everything. Okay, and spatial and body awareness. So spatial intelligence and all we have learned. Okay, spatial body awareness. So if I am making them to touch head, foot, head, shoulder, knees and toes, if I'm saying they will touch their head, they will feel their shoulder, they will touch their knees and their toes. So when they enjoy their body awareness. Okay, so everything what I'm doing their activity, all thing comes into their brain. That's why lot of methodologies, lot of what to say, we are having lot of methodologies, no? And intelligence, lot of intelligence we are having. So everything we are learning, why means to make this brain stronger. So in our 0 to 6 years, if you are making them these things, afterwards, no very soon. We all have missed it. Or we never missed it. We will be exposed very open environment. Now we are making the environment into the Montessori rooms. That's it. Okay, so this is all about the brain. And next one is thank you. So I have completed all the systems.
That we have to.
That's why you laugh.
Sorry. Any doubts, ma'am?
Ma'am, you'll be sharing this PPT, no?
Yeah, ma'am, you can.
want
Yeah, she will share, definitely. She will share it.
Yes, ma'am. So hope you all have understood.
Mostly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Nice, ma'am. If we know about the organs, anatomies, and how we connected, and what we have to do, what we should not do, and how we have to do the healthier things, if all knows, that's enough, I think, as we know for anatomy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so
ma'am.
much, Anand, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Super
thank
section, ma'am.
Please conclude the sections.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm happy you all here.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes,
Recollecting our 12th standard, ma'am.
ma'am. But
Yeah,
we have to connect it, ma'am. Connect it to
Yeah.
our thing. What we are doing now, that has to be connected. Simply learning and simply think, no use. So we have to connect it and implement it, and also we have to get the outcome.
Sure, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So thank you, Rahmat ma'am, and thank you, my dear students. So I'm so happy you all patiently listened everything. And if any doubts, you can ask me through our Rahmat ma'am, or you can message me also.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am. We will conclude it officially. Please, vote of thanks.
Yes, ma'am. Vote of thanks for Anandi, ma'am. On behalf of NCDC faculty and students, we extend our sincere thanks to Anandi, ma'am, for your guest class, ma'am, on the topic anatomy. The session was very informative and very enjoyable too, ma'am. Once again, I thank you, Anandi, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
Rashmita
ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.